we go. We're gonna go for a afternoon run to see if we can find some bass hiding in super heavy cover. Alright. I got my Jungle 7 with me. Zillion 9. 2-ounce weight. We're gonna go try to find them in the thick stuff. So, got a very unique fishery here. See all these trees. It's a series of ponds that stretch about 7 miles. And some of them are covered with some really thick, nasty stuff, and some of them are pretty open. But we're gonna look for the nasty stuff. It's hot. It's about noon. It's probably about 100 degrees outside right now. We want to find these hidden bass. See if they're willing to eat anything today. So let's check it out. All right, let's get started. So the sun has done some work on this stuff. It's definitely not as thick as it normally is. In the wintertime, this stuff gets super thick. But I'm just going to assume that the 2-ounce weight is the weight I need. It's still pretty thick. This stuff is like 6, 8, 10 inches thick, sitting on top of the water. A lot of penetration underneath. It just sits right on top. So, water is shallow. Alright. Oh, I think that's 100% a fish. Fuck. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Little guy. Little live beaver in the thick stuff. Oh yeah. There you go. Man, I flipped in there. I felt like I got bit. My line was just pulling in there, and then put back in there and got one. So that's kind of cool. See if we can do another one. This water is very shallow. You can see all this stuff. It's not super thick. Like, it doesn't go far into the water. So it's just creating this canopy above the water. Let me show you what I got going on as far as baits. I just have this giant Ziploc bag full of just random stuff, and just reach in there and grab something. Whatever I grab, that's what I'm using. So now I just got a Reaction Innovations beaver. These fish, not a lot of people come out here and do this, so these fish don't see a ton of artificials. So when they hit it, they hit it. Like, it's never hard to tell when you're bit. another one on the DoLive Beaver. Oh, another little guy, skinny guy. There we go. That guy was kind of shallow too. It's kind of cool. I've seen a lot of this stuff moving, so I just flipped right in there when I saw it moving. Boom. Took it right away. Another bait. Seems like the DoLive Beaver, what's going on right now. Let's just grab whatever. Oh. So crawls, even though they get a ton of action, they love getting caught in this thick stuff. We'll see if this one even lasts before getting ripped up. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, there we go, another one. I think I was toying with it for a minute. Oof. Alright. There we go. Fuck, these guys are all little. Still fun. Boop. And he's gone. Oh, there we go, another one. Hell yeah. Alright. It's like all the same fish. They're all the same size. Sorry little guy. Tried to rip your face off. Oh, there you go. Oh, fuck. Jeez. Definitely was getting bit right here. He took my bait. There we go. Again, first drop with the DoLive Beaver. DoLive Beaver is killing them. Not typically used on a punching rig, but it's a great one to get in there. It slides through really easy. We obviously know the fish love to eat it, so we just need a little bit thicker of one. Oh yeah, got another one on the DoLive Beaver. A better one. There we go. There we go. Oh hell yeah. Alright, there we go. little fatter. There we go. Hell yeah. Fish catches. I'm leaving. I've been out here for about an hour. Let's talk about the gear. Alright guys. So I am using a Megabass P5 Destroyer Jungle 7. That's the F7.5 711. This rod right here is my rod for anything heavy cover. Love this rod. This rod right here is like the perfect action going into heavy cover. You don't want it to be too fast or you're just going to snap your rod. This one gets a little bit of give, but a ton of power in the back end. I mean, the backbone is it's just pure power back here. But it's going to give you the bend. It's going to work the baits without snapping them up, because that bend is just going to lift them and then drop and lift them and let them drop. When you flip the weight out there, using a 2-ounce weight, so when I flip it out there, a faster rod will fling it in the air, and I kind of want it to not go as far in the air as most. Some of the time out here I have to throw it up just to get it in, but I'm trying my hardest to not make a lot of commotion while I'm flipping this in there. So 2-ounce weight, 3/0 jungle flipping hook, double bobber stop. I like to use a J-braid or a samurai, depending on what kind of grass that I'm in. J-braid will slide through better. The Braid Grand will slide through better. Samurai will cut better. So a real heavy line. And then the reel I'm using is a Zillion 9 SLP limited edition. Just want to get those fish in there, out of there as fast as possible. So there you go right there. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I could teach you something, and thank you very much. I will see you next time.